Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this large folding EDC knife from Sencut. This is the Draxor. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Sencut and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Sencut for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you can get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Let's have a look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the thickness of them. And let's take a rough measurement from end to end. It looks like we got about 5 inches overall length. Now with the blade open, back to vertical. And let's get a rough measurement here from the tip to the end of the handle. Looks like we got just about 8.5 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. Right, here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side. And it looks like it's just about the same thickness as that. Right, let's run the ruler across here for a little bit better idea. Looks like we got just about 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade here over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just a little bit thicker than a US nickel. Let's see if we can run a ruler right across the thumb ramp area. Looks like we got just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 4.7 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 4.7 ounces might feel like in your hand, well, if you have a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 6 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. There are 2. You have a flipper lever here at the top. That's this little fin sticking out here. Got a little bit of jimping here, so you can get some grip on it, and all you got to do is pull it back. You also have these dual thumb studs, so you can flick this open with your left or your right hand. Got a little bit of a cutout here to help you dig in and rotate around. Just make sure that your hand is clear of the flipper lever if you're going to flick it open like that. And for such a massive blade, the opening action is so incredibly crisp, smooth, and quick. It's pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. This is also a liner locking knife, so if you follow the liner around, you can see right here the liner actually has an arm that will kick over and lock into the base of the blade when it's open, just to make sure it doesn't close on you. To disengage the blade, you just move this on the side, close it up. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting over in the thumb ramp area. There's a close look at the jimping. Let me tip that sideways so you can see the aggressiveness of that. Really feel that on your thumb. They put a lot of jimping on here. Gorgeous satin finish here. And what a great example of what a sheep's foot blade looks like. Look at how gorgeous that is. Now, as this blade rotates around, your flipper lever opener acts as a guard. Nice sharpening tool here. It's going to help you sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. We got a flat grind here, right? No curvature. It's going to be very easy to sharpen and maintain and make for a very strong edge with all of this mass back here. Steel type being used is 9CR18 MOV. 9CR18 MOV is a high carbon stainless steel. You're going to have good toughness. 18% chromium is going to give you really good corrosion resistance. It's going to be very easy to sharpen and maintain. And as we're going to see in just a second, takes a nice sharp edge. Let's have a closer look at these beautiful two-tone G10 grips. All right, so we got the black G10 on the outside. You can see the milling here, and inside is inlaid with gray. There's also a green and black with the black blade, and I believe there's an all black with satin finish. But look at the milling they've done here. I think in the middle might be coarse G10. Texture feels really nice. Good contrast between the fine milling here and the texturing down the middle. Feels really nice in the hand. Big grip. You can get all of your fingers on there. Nothing fancy here, just straight up top, straight on the bottom. Little bit of a notch here in the pommel so you can lock your pinky in there. Massive grip. Let's pop this open and have a look on the inside. We can see here that the liners have been skeletonized to save on weight. flip you guys over to the back end here. And you can see these beautiful standoffs. Oh, there's a good view of the skeletonization here. Beautiful standoffs. Here's a look at your pocket clip. That should be pretty deep carry. Here's a profile view there. It's going to be reversible to the other side. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here is a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you jam it down in your pocket. It should absolutely disappear. Deep carry. Here's a profile look at it. Back over to the front. Alright guys, let's see how this factory edge cuts coming right out of the box. Got some newspaper. Let's try some nice light slices. Oh, so smooth. So silky. Absolutely no resistance there. Let's try it on some paracord. Guys, with the mass of this blade and the sharpness of the edge, should be no problem. Alright, let's finish up with some cardboard. Absolutely annihilating it. Once again, guys, this has been the Draxor from Sencut. Incredibly quick to open, comes screaming sharp out of the box. Great sheep's foot blade design. If you're looking for a larger folding EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.